smoke in that crowd too.
Bro, me and motherfucking BK right now, nigga. TANBOYS about to shut this shit the fuck down.
That's right. Shit, I'm just trying to
give it up for BODEGA Band. Let's go.
Nigga, what you want? Nigga, what you want? Poppy got it. Poppy got it all.
Give it up, nigga. We open 24 hours a day, man. Check. Reliable, admirable music. Catch me up in the blueprint, TANBOY movement. Miss me with the fake shit, preaching on some A shit. Bottom sip, cup, bug, Poppy gotta taste it.
Spanish Harlem thoroughbred, good on every corner, every stoop, every basement. Nigga, I'm the maintenance man with the keys from Florida.
All I need is